Your Snap score indicates how active you are on Snapchat. It can be found by clicking on your profile under your profile icon. Your Snap score counts how many snaps you've sent and received, how many stories you've viewed and posted, how many Discover videos you've watched, and how many friends you have. If you click on the number, you can see how many snaps you've sent and received. There are a few ways to increase your overall Snap score. First, try sending and receiving more snaps. Snap streaks, when you snap the same friend consecutively for at least 3 days, will boost your Snap score. The longer you consecutively snap them, the higher your Snap score. Posting and viewing stories will increase your Snap score. This is another form of interacting and communicating with friends. You can add more friends to increase the amount of people that you're interacting with. If you have multiple streaks with multiple friends, your score will increase. If you'd like to get competitive, you can also see your friends' Snap score. To do this, scroll down to My Friends. Tap on a friend's icon to display their profile. Here, you can see their Snap score in the same location as your own.